Once upon a time, nestled in the rolling green hills of a quaint countryside, there existed a bustling dairy farm. Here, amidst the gentle breeze and the chirping birds, lived a community of dairy cows. These cows weren't just any ordinary cows. They were the backbone of the farm, providing creamy, nutritious milk day in and day out. At the break of dawn, when the first rays of sunlight kissed the earth, the cows would gather in the lush pastures, eager to start their day. Daisy, the eldest and wisest of the herd, would lead them out to graze, her bell chiming softly as she ambled along. With her gentle demeanor and vast experience, she was not just a leader, but also a source of comfort and guidance for the younger cows. Among the herd, there was a spirited young calf named Buttercup. With her golden coat and playful antics, she brought joy to all who beheld her. Buttercup's days were filled with frolics in the meadows and mischievous escapades with her fellow calves. Yet, beneath her playful exterior, lay a yearning to prove herself worthy of the legacy of her ancestors. As the seasons changed and the days grew shorter, the farm bustled with activity. The farmers worked tirelessly, tending to the land and caring for the animals. Each day, the cows would line up patiently at the milking shed, where they would be greeted by the familiar hum of the machines and the gentle hands of the milkers. In the evenings, after the chores were done and the sun dipped below the horizon, the cows would gather around the watering hole, exchanging stories of days gone by. They spoke of the lush pastures they had roamed, the cool streams they had waded through, and the bonds of friendship that held them together. Buttercup listened intently to these tales, her eyes sparkling with wonder. She longed to embark on her own adventures, to explore the vast expanse beyond the farm gates. And so, with each passing day, she grew stronger and more determined to follow in the footsteps of her elders. One fateful day, as the sun rose in the sky and painted the clouds with hues of pink and gold, Buttercup made her decision. With a determined gleam in her eye, she bid farewell to her mother and the herd and set off into the unknown. Her journey was fraught with challenges and obstacles, from treacherous terrain to menacing predators. Yet, with courage and perseverance, Buttercup pressed on, her heart filled with the memories of her beloved herd. Months passed and Buttercup traversed mountains and valleys, forests and plains. Along the way, she encountered fellow travelers who offered her guidance and companionship. Together, they braved the elements and forged bonds that would last a lifetime. Finally, one crisp autumn morning, Buttercup reached her destination, a vast meadow bathed in the soft glow of the rising sun. Here, amidst the swaying grass and the gentle breeze, she found what she had been searching for all along, a sense of belonging, a place to call home. As she looked out upon the horizon, Buttercup knew that her journey was far from over. There were still many adventures to be had, many lessons to be learned. But no matter where life took her, she would always carry with her the spirit of the Milky Way herd, a beacon of hope and resilience in a world filled with uncertainty.